Today we'll talk about how can you figure out this solution or know how you can do that or your Getcontact app. So you just follow these ways, then it's going to work with you. So all you have to do, you just go down here, you click here on menu down here, just click on it. So then it's going to take you to this list. It's going to show for you like this. Then all you have to do now, you just go down here, then you click here on settings. So then you come to next step here, it's going to show for you like this. Click here on spam settings, just click on it. You come here to choose a spam protection option here, and here can you select it if you want to add show warning for spam infrared calls or block all spam calls. Can you select it here? That's all. I wish now you I get it. So just follow these ways, then it's going to work with you. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to support us by like and subscribe.